Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. 1. Which type of immunity is conferred by vaccination? A. Natural active immunity. B. Artificial active immunity. C. Natural passive immunity. D. Artificial passive immunity. Answer. B. Artificial active immunity. Explanation. Vaccination introduces a weakened or inactive form of the pathogen into the body, prompting the immune system to produce antibodies, thus conferring artificial active immunity. 2. Which of the following is an example of an autoimmune disease? A. AIDS. B. Tuberculosis. C. Rheumatoid arthritis. D. Malaria. Answer. C. Rheumatoid arthritis. Explanation. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks its own body tissues, particularly the joints. 3. The immune cells primarily involved in antibody production are A. T lymphocytes. B. B lymphocytes. C. Macrophages. D. Neutrophils. Answer. B. B lymphocytes. Explanation. B lymphocytes are responsible for producing antibodies to neutralize or mark pathogens for destruction. 4. Which part of the immune system does HIV target? A. B cells. B. Red blood cells. C. Helper T cells. D. Platelets. Answer. C. Helper T cells. Explanation. HIV specifically infects helper T cells, CD4, weakening the immune system and making the individual susceptible to other infections. 5. Which organism causes sleeping sickness? A. Plasmodium vivax. B. Trypanosoma brucei. C. Entamoeba histolytica. D. Leishmania donovani. Answer. B. Trypanosoma brucei. Explanation. Sleeping sickness is caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma brucei, transmitted by the tsetse fly. 6. Which vitamin is required for the proper absorption of calcium in the body? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. Answer. B. Vitamin D. Explanation. Vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium from the gut, which is essential for bone health and other physiological processes. 7. The incubation period of which of the following diseases is 10 to 15 days? A. Measles. B. Cholera. C. Tuberculosis. D. Hepatitis B. Answer. A. Measles. Explanation. Measles has an incubation period of about 10 to 15 days, after which symptoms like fever and rash appear. 8. Which of the following organisms is responsible for causing pneumonia? A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. B. Salmonella typhi. C. Streptococcus pneumoniae. D. Plasmodium falciparum. Answer. C. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Explanation. Pneumonia is most commonly caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, a bacterial infection affecting the lungs. 9. Which disease is associated with the deficiency of thyroxine? A. Diabetes mellitus. B. Goiter. C. Addison's disease. D. Rickets. Answer. B. Goiter. Explanation. Goiter results from the deficiency of thyroxine and is characterized by the swelling of the thyroid gland. 10. What is the main cause of peptic ulcers? A. Staphylococcus aureus. B. Helicobacter pylori. C. Escherichia coli. D. Salmonella typhi. Answer. B. Helicobacter pylori. Explanation. Peptic ulcers are mainly caused by the bacterium Helicobacter pylori, which damages the lining of the stomach. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.